Oh, g'day. Is it just me? Flat tyres. I mean, on an aircraft, you don't want to be, stranded in the bush. But I've had quite a few, and I think I've found out the reason. More importantly, this video is about how I fix them.
Mirror traffic, microlight 6340 turns base, full stop, 17 Mirror.
Well, I'm just back from another mission. Why don't you come and join me now and watch what we've been up to. Enjoy this adventure. And maybe after you've watched this one, you might want to watch one of the other more than 300 videos on the channel regarding aviation and flying adventures with Crayonbox. Yeah, okay, how do we fix them? Well, how do you support the front of your aircraft to get the front wheel off? I mean, I've found thorns in the front tyre. I think I've actually found a couple in the rear tyre on the right as well. The left one so far has been okay, but I've had multiple punches, and I've actually found that I hadn't really removed all of the thorns in the past, and they've rubbed through future tubes as well, and that's why I've had multiple punches. I'm not really sure if it's because I've got new thorns in the tube, in the tyres, or is it because I've left old thorns in the tyres. So if you ever get a puncture, make sure you check the tread of the tyre thoroughly, because they'll eventually rub through if there's any left, and in future you'll get another puncture. But back to the real reason for this video. I finally created a stand for the front wheel that I'm really happy with. I mean, I did this. I created a stand for the rear wheels. It's actually not a stand, it's actually a scissor lift jack, just a little jack, but it's not portable in the trike, and well, it works really well for the rear wheels, especially with the engine over those mains. Easy, very easy to do. But the front with the fiberglass pod, how do you do it? I mean, I got some answers off Facebook, I asked around, but I even asked the agent in Australia, what do we do? And the answer I got wasn't really, well, satisfactory to what I needed to do and what I wanted to do. I wanted a simple, easy, light, portable solution. And I've thought about this for years. Why doesn't the manufacturer actually have something? Why isn't it even in the manuals as to how to take the front wheel off and support the front of the aircraft? Anyway, here's something that might help you out. It's portable. Some assembly is required. No batteries are required. I don't think you really need to take it with you when you go anywhere, but you might if you need to. You can do. That option is there. But check this out. I reckon it works really well. Yeah, so at the moment that's my solution. There could be some more improvements made, I'm still thinking about it, but at the moment it works. It's so easy. It's easy to put in, it's easy to take out, it's quite supportive, it's quite stable. There's probably better ways to do it, but if you've got any, let me know, and I hope you've enjoyed and got some value out of this video, and I hope that this will help somebody out there. I've been, like I said, I've been struggling with this idea for a while, but I think I'm quite happy with this. Oh, what is it? Well, it's just a couple of shelving brackets really that I've cut to length to allow them to join with a bit of tube in the middle, and then I've got another shelving bracket, a smaller one, and I've cut it in half, and I've used those as the feet, if you like, that can swivel. Other than that, it's just a couple of 10mm bolts with dome heads on them, like for fencing or something, just did them up with a couple of bolts, put some vinyl tubing, plastic clear tubing on the bolts so that when they go in the holes on the front legs, forks of the aircraft, it doesn't scratch it and mark it up too badly. You know, I mean, it's going to happen anyway, I guess. This could be adaptable to other aircraft, I guess, because I know not all microlights have those holes in the front suspension links, but you might come up with something that suits you just using this design. I think it's just really elegant, really. It just works. Hey, thanks for watching, sticking with me, and I hope this has been useful once again. And we'll see you later.